And we're back. That's right.
Hi.
My sous chef.
I'm
Erin. My Erin chef.
I'm Erin.
Sue. She's not. Her name's not Sue.
No, it's not.
Forget it. Okay. We need to make dessert, so we've decided on a lemon meringue, and I know a lot of people are intimidated by lemon meringue pies. Let me tell you something. If she can do it, I'm sure anybody can do it.
I'm not promising you I could fully
So,
do it because there's a lot.
The important thing here is that we don't scramble the eggs. Okay? So, all right. So, with that said, this is what we're going to need. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, tablespoon of Zest. This is 1/2 cup of lemon juice, but this is from 3 lemons. So the zest came from 3 lemons and the juice came from 3 lemons. 1/4 cup of salt. Did I say butter? And 3 tablespoons of butter. Oh, water.
And eggs.
2 1/4 cups of water. We need 4 eggs. Okay, eggs are best at room temperature, and these have been out for a while.
I wouldn't say I'm very knowledgeable about eggs, but I've been kind of doing this since I was very little. It's like baking cakes and stuff. So I have a decent amount of knowledge on what I have to do to separate the yolk from the whites.
No shells, and don't break the yolks. Good. Good. That's it. That's all. There you go. We're not making our own pie shell. We're cheating here. We're using a store-bought, and you want to prepare it according to the package. All right. So we have the oven preheating at 375 degrees, and we're going to put the pie shell in for 10 or 12 to 15 minutes, and that's got to be done before the filling is ready. Poking holes in the bottom. It's going in. We'll do it for 12 minutes. Okay.
Okay, so Dad is very wise.
Well, not very wise.
He gave me advice on
Wiser.
how to zest and a lemon. I saw an orange right there, so I was thinking orange. He gave me advice for zesting a lemon. Now, I did not follow that advice, but he also said to do it a way that would feel comfortable for me. I'm using an orange for an example. So, he told me to do it like that and not like face it down and zest it, but I found that it was more comfortable doing it the downward way. So, I did it that way. And then my thumb got caught on the little gray part of the zester, and I cut my finger. So, word of advice and me taking notes is to listen to him.
Yeah, listen to me.
That's my story.
Okay. So, sugar. Into the pool.
The pot.
Pool. They're going swimming.
Okay. Woo!
Cornstarch. That was 1 cup sugar, half a cup of cornstarch. Lemon zest.
My old friend that was not so friendly to me.
Yes, okay. So the sugar, cornstarch, salt, and lemon zest. Okay. Turn the heat up to medium. All right. Keep a mixing.
Keep on mixing.
Keep a mixing. Now we're going to add the water.
Don't splash it. Okay. Mix it.
Yep.
Wow, it pretty much dissolved.
Well, the thing
do
with
some
corn,
sugar
you know,
clump.
cornstarch will clump up if you don't keep it moving. So we got some here and over here, over here. All right, just keep it moving. Try not to splash it like me. So we want to, that's going to take about 15 or 20 minutes to thicken up until it begins to make bubbles. And then we're going to temper the eggs.
It's so weird because it's like milk.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and it started to thicken up. So now, while that's thickening up, we're gonna temper these eggs. I'm gonna take a little bit, put it in the eggs. All right, you want to make sure that the eggs don't get chunky. If they get chunky, forget it. If it gets chunky, that means you scrambled the eggs.
Get the eggs used to the temperature?
Tempered, yep, that's what we call tempering the eggs.
It's bubbling.
I know.
We gotta work it faster.
No, just keep it moving.
Okay, is it gonna splash me?
If you do it hard and fast, yeah, it's gonna hurt you. Okay. Okay. Can you hold that? Oh wait, I got it.
Okay.
So I could see that the bowl's in the way. Aaron, there's a spatula right there. Can you
Put the rest of the egg in.
yeah. The lemon juice in. Now the butter. Just throw the butter in there. And now this goes right into your pie shell. for this meringue, I'm trying something that I saw on someone else's page. This is a cornstarch, sugar, and water slurry. This is supposed to help to keep it from falling. I'll put that in the description. So we have our egg whites. We're gonna start. We're going to add 4 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon at a time of sugar. 1, you keep count. Get the next one ready. Get the next one, yeah. Okay, so we've got some stiff peaks, and where am I? Got some stiff peaks, so this is pretty much done. So to make your peaks,
Need a spoon.
you press. Now this is going to go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 or 15 minutes to brown the top. Okay, so there you have it. Lemon meringue pie.
It looks like a toasted marshmallow.
Now Erin, you did a lot of this.
Okay.
Was it hard?
Your arms may be sore from just stirring and stirring, but it's not overwhelming. You could do it.
It's easier than you would think.
Yeah.
Easier than you would think.
It's not that hard.
There you have it. Lemon meringue pie. This is John Campo. This is my daughter Erin. Double Bubble Cosplay. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.